Experience International. The publication presents digital learning. Book name: The World Around Us, Social Science. Class First. Chapter 2. A Big Family. This is Paras. He is 6 years old. He studies in my class. Paras has a brother. His name is Kuldeep. Kuldeep is younger than Paras. He studies in I class. Kuldeep calls him Bhaiya. Paras has 2 sisters also. They are Kirti and Vanshika. Kirti and Vanshika are elder than Paras and Kuldeep. Paras and Kuldeep call them Didi. Paras and Kuldeep, Kirti and Vanshika live with their parents. Their grandfather and grandmother also live with them. They all live together. They live in a big family. They are a loving family.